Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I am super excited for this project. I don't know if you have seen it, but I keep seeing on Pinterest these glass frames with painted words or designs on them, and then I've also seen these floating frames that are double-sided glass with pressed flowers in them. So today we're going to be putting all that together and kind of combining both of those ideas and making this really pretty piece of art, and I'm super excited about it. Before we start, I want to tell you one thing, and that is that I did try this yesterday, but I tried using a chalkboard marker and that did not work. So you'll definitely want to use acrylic paint for this project, and I'm hoping it will stay on better. The chalk marker it was wiping off and I couldn't get it thick enough, so it was kind of transparent and streaky looking. So just so you know, don't use a chalk marker for this. But other than that, you will need a paintbrush. This is a size 2/0. And you will need a screwdriver that fits the adjusters on the back. That fits these little guys right here. You'll also need some pressed flowers, and to make it a lot easier, I wrote out my word first on a piece of copy paper so that I can kind of trace it. So you'll definitely want to do that as well. Alright, so this is an 8x10 frame. You can get whatever size you want. I just got it at Joann's. They do have some other types there, like with the metal frame, and those are really pretty, but they're a lot more expensive, so I decided to go with this one for the first project and see how it went. This glass is really easy to get dirty, as you can probably tell. So first I'm just going to take out the glass. I'm going to lay out my paper and put one of my pieces of glass over top of it. Alright, so once you have that ready, you can go ahead and start painting it on. So you can kind of see the color of it. I love this color. Alright, I'm just going to start painting. Hope for the best. Alright, so this first coat of paint should be about dry now, and I'm just going to put the flowers in and then I'll do the second coat after it's all put together, because I'm really excited to do that part. So you're just going to flip it upside down. Put it in your frame. And now we can arrange our flowers however we want. And keep in mind, if you use some thicker flowers and some thinner flowers, the thinner ones are going to move around a little bit just because the glass will be, farther apart. I'm going to cut that stem a little bit, break it off. So the flowers you see here, some of them are from a bouquet and some of them are actually from outside, but you could easily just go get a bouquet at the store if you don't have access to flowers that you can pick. And then you have a bunch that you can use. Like we need a little more right there. And I think I like that. I'm going to put this on and then I'm only gonna buckle a couple of these and we'll see if it looks good before we buckle all of them. And if you have trouble getting these to go over because your flowers are too thick, you can just take a screwdriver and loosen them up a little bit and then put them back over and tighten it down. But when you tighten it down, you want to be really, really careful and don't tighten it all the way until you get all of them done. So sort of like when you're changing a tire, you don't just go around in a circle, you go across and to the side and across again until you get all of them on. And then you can go back and tighten them up. So for right now, I want to see how it looks before I tighten them all down. So I'm just going to do 2 of them. Just be really careful because you don't want that glass to shatter on you. So I'm going to leave it like that. We're going to go back in and tighten all these up, and then we will be finished. Just go double check the rest of them, make sure they're all nice and secure. All right. There we go. Now I just have to do that last coat of paint and it will be finished. So for the flowers, I did want to mention I have another video that I will link down below, how to press flowers within minutes, and you don't need books or wax paper, you don't have to wait 2 weeks. It is super, super easy and you have all the things you'll need at home. So I'll link that down below for you. Alright, so now that all the flowers are in and everything, I'm going to go back in and do the second coat of paint. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys!